Hey,
It's,
Bhavna, thank you for being here.
let me just ask Bhavna to unmute. Because I'd love to, yeah. Bhavna, can you unmute yourself?
Did. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you now.
Okay, great. Hi, Smee.
Hey, darling, thank
How
you
is
for
it?
being here.
Thank you so much. So I just wanted to ask you, how do you find my new haircut?
I was just looking at that, and you are looking gorgeous.
Great. So
Mwah.
this question was simply because my dad hates it. Okay, me cutting my hair short. And I chose me. I chose what I want. Yeah. And that's what I've learned in Up Your Game with Smriti, to choose myself. You know, how many times we've literally read, seen, or talk, people giving TED talks, saying value yourself, appreciate yourself,
Yeah.
or but with me, I realized how to do it. You know, we know about it, we read it, we hear people talking about valuing yourself and appreciating yourself, but with me, we understand how magical can we be. Firstly, let me warn you, she asks a lot of questions. those,
Okay.
but those questions, oh my god, they are like peeling of an onion, and and every single layer, the question she asked, every single layer, of judgments, of that self criticism, of that self depreciation that we do every time, that is all unpeeled. And then what remains with you is actually the core valuable you. And that's what Up the Game is all about. I did that module and I was blown away. I said, this is so simple, this is so easy, but why don't we choose it? Why do we complicate our lives so much, you know so she talks about your body, relationships, and everything. And it all begins with how much you value yourself. If you want money, you want that job, you want that car, you want that career, you want fame, you can get it. You can get it all. And that's the belief she's instilled with this Up Your Game module. I don't know what more can I say with that.
That's incredible. Bhavna, share with us what were the first couple of shifts that you experienced in your life after, right after
Um,
doing the
the
program?
biggest shift, um, it's my we are brought up in a certain way, and we are taught certain value systems, and we are taught, to be kind, gracious, and giving all the time, but
Hmm.
we have never been taught how to receive.
Hmm. That's true.
I mean,
Especially for
I
women.
was the first time I remember, it's very simple thing, but I remember, and it has stayed with me for a very long time, is Smriti taught me how to receive. I used to shy away from receiving compliments. A
Yeah,
basic
I can
thing
understand.
like that, we can't receive. We give because that is taught to us. Giving is being kind, giving compliments is, being polite, or you're being whatever, all those point of views that people have, that Smriti just talks about. It's just a point of view. Why are we judging ourselves based on that? And that receiving yourself with that is beautiful. When you start giving compliments to yourself, when you start receiving compliments, and you start receiving money also, then, and that's what happened with me. When I learned how to receive, I suddenly started getting, my career got a boost. I started receiving more offers. I had a choice to choose what I want,
How
and what I
fabulous.
don't want to do. And uh, and that's beautiful when you have so much choices, and you need to make the real choice what you really want to do. So receiving is something I really will talk about, that I learned from Smriti.
That's fantastic. Thank you so much, Bhavna. Thank you for sharing that. Because very often it's one thing to understand notionally how something works, and then to actually see how somebody has adopted it in their life, and how they've experienced the change from that. That's really remarkable.
Yeah, and I just want to say that she starts with gratitude and ends with gratitude, but we have so much of gratitude for her being in our lives. She's like that lighthouse, who is guiding you to sail your ship in the deep sea. So go for it. I think it's a wonderful, wonderful program, and I have actually upped my game. There's no fear for anything right now.
That's fantastic. How fantastic. Thank you so much,
Thank
Bhavna.
you so much. Thank you for having me.
Thank you, sweetheart.
Thanks,
I'm so
me.
grateful for you, my
I
darling.
I call you Osme. It's awesome me.
I love
How
you.
lovely.
Thank you.